This is a typical sensor circuit for a microcontroller using two operational amplifiers as comparators. We know comparators are meaning that this is the non-inverting input, this is the inverting input, and this is the output. The formula is that when non-inverting input is more than the inverting input, as far as the voltage at its input is concerned, the output will become logic 1. Logic 1 means whatever is the supply voltage. If supply voltage is given a certain voltage, that voltage will appear at pin number 1. Logic 0 will be 0. If this is negative, this will be 0. So this is basically there are two comparators, and with a potential divider arrangement using a variable resistor, we will adjust this voltage, which will be in such a way that the output is 0. When the output will be 0, that when this is also a potential divider, because this is a LDR, it's a light dependent resistor, this is also a resistor. Based on the value of these two, we will see that the voltage here will be less than this voltage. By adjusting this, we will make sure that the voltage here is less than this voltage. And when light falls on this, this voltage will increase. Once this voltage will increase and will cross the voltage at this pin, because I have set this voltage, so the output will go high. High means it will become logic 1, and that will be fed to the microcontroller. So this is when the ambient light is there, then this is high. When the ambient light is not there, that means plus the inverting terminal, non-inverting terminal is less than the inverting terminal. So the output will be 0. For easy understanding, let us name them as plus and minus. That means the formula is when plus is more than minus, output is equal to 1. 1 meaning supply voltage. Supply voltage we have not shown here. The supply voltage, this is positive line and this is negative line. One more comparator also has been used for some other sensing, where we also fixed the voltage at pin number 6, which is again a inverting terminal, because this operational amplifier LM358 has got two operational amplifiers, and so both of them can be utilized for comparator purpose. And we have taken a PCB, printed circuit board, which has got lines like this, and each alternate line we have connected to make them a wire mesh of thing. So what happens when some water drops on it? This conducts. When this conducts, now this voltage will go above this voltage. The output will become high. Otherwise, if there is no water here, this is high, this is low, output is low. So whether this is used for detecting rain, because these are all lines and connected alternative lines, and any drop falling on that PCB anywhere, this will conduct and this point will go high, and once positive is more than the negative, the output becomes 1. And these two conditions are fed to the microcontroller to take appropriate action.